Hey, what is going on YouTube? It's your Waka 007. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to set fingerprint as your protection on WhatsApp. So basically, this will allow you to have more privacy on your WhatsApp. So first things first, let's launch into WhatsApp. And what you need to do next is to click the three dots in the upper right corner. So the dots can be found there. So you need to click on those dots. And then you need to go to settings. Now from settings, you need to look for account. And then you need to find privacy. Now privacy is the first option there, so let's click on privacy because most of you might think this is in the security option. However, it is in the privacy option. Now you'd need to scroll down a bit, or well, it's right there. So you need to look down here for fingerprint lock. So you need to click on fingerprint lock, and as you can see, the option is turned off, unlock with fingerprint. So when enabled, you will be, well, you'd need to use your fingerprint to open WhatsApp. You can still answer calls if WhatsApp is locked. Okay, so let's enable fingerprint, and as you can see, we would need to confirm our fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor. So let's do just that. And as you can see, we have a few options here. We could automatically lock WhatsApp immediately, or we could lock it after 1 minute or 30 minutes. And also we have the option here to show or hide the content in the notification. So this is a built-in privacy feature if your device supports fingerprint, and in 2021, like majority of the devices support fingerprint scanner. So this is how it go about setting fingerprint lock on WhatsApp. And if I should go back, let me change the settings to lock immediately, and let me close out of WhatsApp and let me go back in. And as you can see, I am required to use my fingerprint to unlock WhatsApp. So let me do that. And as you can see, WhatsApp is unlocked. So that is how you go about setting fingerprint lock on